Hey friends, welcome to Easy Speak English podcast. I'm Priya, your friend and guide, and this is episode 20, Shadowing English Speaking Practice for Everyday Fluency. Want to speak English fluently without feeling shy? You're in the right place. Today we're mastering shadowing, a fun way to sound natural by copying native speakers. We'll practice 15 everyday phrases for cafes, parks, shops, and schools. No boring lessons, just real, easy English. Grab a pen, hit subscribe, and let's make English trending. I used to stumble over words, feeling nervous in conversations. Once at a cafe, I wanted to say, "Can you make it quick?" but froze. Then I tried shadowing, repeating phrases from videos, and it changed everything. I said, "Let's meet up," to a friend, and it felt so smooth. Today I'm sharing 3 tips for stories, role plays, shadowing practice, and a fun quiz to help you speak like a native. You've got this. Let's dive in nice and easy. Tip 1. Shadow for natural flow. Shadowing means repeating what you hear, like copying a friend's words. It's like singing along to a song, but for speaking English. I shadowed, "Can I have a coffee?" while watching a video. And soon I said it confidently at a cafe. Shadowing builds your rhythm, tone, and confidence. Here's how to shadow. Listen to a phrase like, "Let's meet up." Repeat it instantly, copying the tone and speed. Smile to sound friendly and keep practicing daily. Here are 15 everyday phrases to shadow. 1. Can I have a coffee? Ordering at a cafe. 2. Let's meet up. Planning with friends. 3. How's it going? Starting a chat. 4. I'm looking for this. Asking in a shop. 5. Can you help me? Requesting assistance. 6. What's up? Casual greeting. 7. I'll be right back. Leaving briefly. 8. Nice to see you. Meeting someone. 9. Can we talk later? Postponienia chat. 10. I need a hand. Asking for help. 11. Let's grab a snack. Suggesting food. 12. Where's this place? Asking for directions. 13. I'm all set. Ready to go. 14. Can you repeat that? Clarifying. 15. Sounds good. Agreeing. Let's practice. Pick 5 phrases. Can I have a coffee? Let's meet up. How's it going? I'm looking for this. Can you help me? Say each 5 times, copying a native speaker's tone. Say it now. Say 5 sentences. Can I have a coffee? Let's meet up. How's it going? I'm looking for this. Can you help me? Say them aloud 3 times with a smile. Say it now. Mini quiz. Let's meet up is used for A. Ordering food. B. Planning with friends. C. Asking for directions. And V. Say let's meet up 3 times now. Confidence builder. In a mirror, say can I have a coffee? With a smile 5 times. Extra practice. Mix 2 phrases. Can I have a coffee? Let's meet up. Say it 3 times now. Comment below. I shadowed let's meet up. Today. Let's try a cafe story. Story 1. Shadowing in a cafe. Priya shadows phrases at a cafe. Shadow each line, repeat aloud, nice and slow. I'm at a cozy cafe, nervous about speaking. I think I'll shadow phrases today. The waiter says, "What do you want?" I smile. "Can I have a coffee?" He nods. "Sure, anything else?" I say, "Let's grab a snack." He grins. "Sounds good." I reply, "I'll be right back." I feel confident and order again next time. Repeat this story twice, shadowing every line. Quick questions, answer aloud. Why is Priya nervous? Answer. She's shy about speaking. What does she say? Answer. Can I have a coffee? How does she feel at the end? Answer. Confident. Key phrases shadow after me. 1. Can I have a coffee? 2. Let's grab a snack. 3. Sounds good. 4. I'll be right back. Say each 5 times. Can I have a coffee? Mix them. Can I have a coffee? Let's grab a snack. Say 3 times now. Write 3 combos. Can I have a coffee? Sounds good. Let's grab a snack. I'll be right back. Sounds good. Can I have a coffee? Say each 3 times. Say it now. Role play 1, try it. Grab a friend or a book. You. Can I have a coffee? Friend. Sure, anything else? You. Let's grab a snack. Friend. Sounds good. You. I'll be right back. Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Role play 2, mix it up. Try a new version. You. Let's grab a snack. Friend. Sounds good. Coffee 2. You. Can I have a coffee? Friend. Sure, be right back. You. I'll be right back. Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Comment below. I shadowed can I have a coffee? At a cafe. And hit like. Next tip. Tip 2. Shadow for better pronunciation. Shadowing helps you sound clear and natural. I used to mumble, but shadowing, how's it going? From a podcast made my words crisp. It's like practicing a dance move. You copy the steps to get it right. Here's how to shadow for pronunciation. Focus on stress. How's it going? Stress the first word. Copy the tone. Sound friendly like a native speaker. Repeat daily. Shadow 1 phrase while walking or cooking. Let's practice. Pick 5 phrases. How's it going? Nice to see you. What's up? Can you help me? Where's this place? Say each 5 times, stressing the first word. Say it now. Say 5 sentences. How's it going? Nice to see you. What's up? Can you help me? Where's this place? Say them aloud 3 times with a smile. Say it now. Mini dialogue. With a friend or mirror. You, how's it going? Friend. Nice to see you. You, what's up? Friend. Can you help me? You, where's this place? Repeat 3 times, switch roles. Say it now. Extra practice. Mix 2 phrases. How's it going? Nice to see you. Say it 3 times now. Comment below. I shadowed how's it going? Today. Let's try a park story. Story 2. Shadowing in a park. Priya shadows phrases in a park. Shadow each line, repeat aloud nice and slow. I'm in a park, nervous about chatting. I think. I'll shadow phrases today. My friend Sam says, hey, you're here. I smile. How's it going? Sam nods. Nice to see you. I say, what's up? Sam grins. Can you help me? I reply, where's this place? I feel confident and chat again next time. Repeat this story twice, shadowing every line. Quick questions, answer aloud. Why is Priya nervous? Answer. She's shy about chatting. What does she say? Answer. How's it going? How does she feel at the end? Answer. Confident. Key phrases, shadow after me. 1. How's it going? 2. Nice to see you. 3. What's up? 4. Can you help me? Say each 5 times. How's it going? Mix them. How's it going? Nice to see you. Say 3 times now. Write 3 combos. How's it going? What's up? Nice to see you. Can you help me? What's up? Where's this place? Say each 3 times. Say it now. Role play 1, try it. Use a friend or a notebook. You, how's it going? Friend. Nice to see you. You. What's up? Friend. Can you help me? You. Where's this place? Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Role play 2, mix it up. Try a new version. You, what's up? A friend. How's it going? You, nice to see you. Friend. Can you help me? You, where's this place? Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Comment below. I shadowed how's it going? In a park. And share the video. One more tip. Tip 3. Shadow for confidence. Shadowing builds confidence by making phrases feel like second nature. I shadowed, "I'm all set," while watching a show, and later said it to a shopkeeper without thinking. It's like practicing lines for a play. You'll shine in real chats. Here's how to shadow for confidence. Start with short phrases. "I'm all set," or "sounds good." Practice in real situations. Say, "Can you repeat that?" At a shop. Record yourself to hear your progress and smile. Let's practice. Pick 5 phrases. "I'm all set." "Can you repeat that?" "Sounds good." "Can we talk later?" "I need a hand." Say each 5 times, copying a native speaker's tone. Say it now. Say 5 sentences. "I'm all set." "Can you repeat that?" "Sounds good." "Can we talk later?" "I need a hand." Say them aloud 3 times with a smile. Say it now. Scenario. Your friend says, "Ready." You reply, "I'm all set." Say it 3 times now. Extra practice. Mix 2 phrases. "I'm all set." "Sounds good." Say it 3 times now. Comment below. I shadowed, "I'm all set" today. Let's try a shop story. Story 3. Shadowing in a shop. Priya shadows phrases while shopping. Shadow each line, repeat aloud, nice and slow. "I'm at a shop, nervous about talking. I think I'll shadow phrases today." The cashier says, "Need help?" I smile. "I'm looking for this." She nods. "Over there." I say, "Can you repeat that?" She grins. "Sure, no problem." I reply, "I'm all set." I feel confident and shop again next time. Repeat this story twice, shadowing every line. Quick questions, answer aloud. Why is Priya nervous? Answer. She's shy about talking. What does she say? Answer. I'm looking for this. How does she feel at the end? Answer. Confident. Key phrases shadow after me. 1. I'm looking for this. 2. Can you repeat that? 3. I'm all set. 4. Sounds good. Say each 5 times. I'm looking for this. Mix them. I'm looking for this. I'm all set. Say 3 times now. Write 3 combos. I'm looking for this. Can you repeat that? I'm all set. Sounds good. Can you repeat that? I'm all set. Say each 3 times. Say it now. Role play 1, try it. Use a friend or a bag. You. I'm looking for this. Friend. Over there. You. Can you repeat that? Friend. Sure, no problem. You. I'm all set. Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Role play 2, mix it up. Try a new version. You. Can you repeat that? Friend. Sure, what's up? You. I'm looking for this. Friend. Over there. You. Sounds good. Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Comment below. I shadowed, "I'm looking for this" in a shop. And hit subscribe. Story 4. Shadowing at school. Priya shadows phrases at school. Shadow each line. Repeat aloud, nice and slow. I'm at school, nervous about chatting. I think I'll shadow phrases today. My classmate says, "Hey, you're here." I smile. "Can we talk later?" She nods. "Sure, no problem." I say, "I need a hand." She grins. "Let's meet up." I reply, "Sounds good." I feel confident and chat again next time. Repeat this story twice, shadowing every line. Quick questions, answer aloud. Why is Priya nervous? Answer. She's shy about chatting. What does she say? Answer. Can we talk later? How does she feel at the end? Answer. Confident. Key phrases shadow after me. 1. Can we talk later? 2. I need a hand. 3. Let's meet up. 4. Sounds good. Say each 5 times. Can we talk later? Mix them. Can we talk later? Let's meet up. Say 3 times now. Write 3 combos. Can we talk later? I need a hand. Let's meet up. Sounds good. I need a hand. Can we talk later? Say each 3 times. Say it now. Role play 1, try it. Use a friend or a notebook. You, can we talk later? Friend. Sure, no problem. You, I need a hand. Friend. Let's meet up. You, sounds good. Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Role play 2, mix it up. Try a new version. You, I need a hand. Friend. Can we talk later? You, let's meet up. Friend. Sounds good. You, nice to see you. Do it twice, switch roles. Say it now. Comment below. I shadowed, can we talk later? At school. And hit like. Fluency quiz. Test your shadowing skills. Let's test your fluency with a fun quiz. Answer aloud or in the comments. 1. What does how's it going? Do. A. Orders food. B. Starts a chat. C. Asks for directions. Answer B. Say how's it going? 3 times now. 2. What does I'm all set mean? A. Need help. Be ready to go. C. Meet someone. Answer B. Say I'm all set. 3 times now. 3. When do you say can you repeat that? A. To clarify. B. To plan a meeting. C. To leave. Answer. A. Say can you repeat that? 3 times now. 4. What does let's grab a snack suggest? A. Buying food. B. Finding a place. C. Stopping at chat. Answer. A. Say let's grab a snack. 3 times now. 5. What does nice to see you do? A. Asks for help. B. Greets someone. C. Postpone a chat. Answer. B. Say nice to see you. 3 times now. Comment your score below, like I got 5 out of 5. And try these phrases in real chats. Daily plan. Speak fluently every day. You're ready to speak English fluently with shadowing. Here's your daily plan. Morning. Shadow 5 phrases. Can I have a coffee? How's it going? I'm all set. Let's meet up. Nice to see you. Repeat 5 times with a smile. Afternoon. Use a filler. You know. Say how's it going, you know? To a friend or neighbor. Evening. Watch a short English video. Shadow 1 line like can you help me? Night review. I shadowed, let's meet up. So cool. Write it in a notebook. Extra challenge. Shadow sounds good. In a real chat and note how it feels. Troubleshooting. Nervous? Shadow how's it going? To a friend and smile to feel relaxed. Forget phrases? Save can I have a coffee? On your phone. Sound unnatural? Record yourself shadowing, listen, and adjust your tone. Weekly challenge. Shadow let's meet up. In 3 chats this week. At a cafe, park, shop, or school. Comment your win below like I shadowed. Sounds good. Today. Wow, friends, you've nailed shadowing English with 15 phrases to speak fluently every day. You're ready for cafes, parks, shops, and schools with how's it going? English is your superpower. Use it, stumble, laugh, and keep shining. Drop your favorite phrase below like, I shadowed, can I have a coffee? Today. Shine with fluent English. Try 1 phrase, comment, subscribe, and keep rocking.